So what's going on, everyone? Welcome to the 10 minutes LinkedIn bootcamp, whereby I'll be guiding you how to really dominate LinkedIn and how you can really grow your business using LinkedIn. I really want to go as fast as possible. My name is Dennis Mwabu. What I do, I coach and train network marketers how they can really grow and run their business. And this is the 10 minutes a day LinkedIn bootcamp, whereby I'll be helping you get more leads, more sales, and more money. And thank you for your time, and I really appreciate your time here being together in all the modules that I'll be taking you through, and hope you'll be getting great value. So I'll just jump to the first module, which is how to create a killer LinkedIn profile. And on this module, what I want to do is I just want to dive in to it live. So I'll just dive into my LinkedIn profile live, whereby I'll be showing you the exact things that I have done and the exact things that you can go outside there and implement and also do, so that you may really dominate and crack the code on LinkedIn. So let me just jump straight into my LinkedIn profile. And what is happening here is, as you can see, the best thing that you can ever do for your business is branding yourself. And the reason why I talk about branding yourself is because brands always stay internal. So there's no company, as you can see on my LinkedIn profile, I am not mentioning any type of names of my network marketing company. I am not mentioning any type of name of the products that I'm selling. What I'm doing is, your prospects are asking themselves, what's in it for me? And that's what you should be providing when designing a killer LinkedIn profile. So the first thing that you need to get started with is the banner section. And as you can check out here, this is a very good banner that I've created, right? And what does the banner say? Cracking the LinkedIn code, teaching network marketers and entrepreneurs how to unleash the power of LinkedIn to build your business and grow your team, more team members, more prospects, more customers. Right now you're a network marketer here, and let me just take a look at different scenarios. Maybe you're in travel, maybe you're selling health and wellness products, maybe you're in different industries, maybe you're in the forex industry. What do you want to position yourself here as an authority, as a leader, by providing value? Maybe showing them, hey, maybe showing them a coach and mentor to show you how you can really crack the code using LinkedIn to sell more products and grow a sustainable business, and then give them a call to action. Maybe you're in travel and you really want to focus with the travel, helping you get very cheap vacations at a very low price in a 5-star deal, all right, something like that. So that's what you really want to do by creating a very good banner. And I'll just give you a bonus, guys, because you took action. Take a look at this video. Let me show you how you can really go on Canva and create a very good banner like this one, and then I'll be jumping on into a very good profile looking page. So how am I able to create a good banner like this? Because I know some of you guys, you're here and that's the biggest challenge that you're experiencing. So there is an app, a website that is known as Canva. All you just need to do is go on Google, and this is how Canva looks like, right? And this is what I actually do, my presentations and my designs. And when you get into Canva, what you need to do is you need to jump into creating a design. And I'm doing this specifically for the LinkedIn banner. And here's what you want to do is you create a design. After creating a design, you can just search here LinkedIn banner, LinkedIn banner. It will just come exactly and directly. All right, and how are you really able to create a very good banner? So on Canva, this is a very free version, but I would also recommend you to use the paid version, which is a very professional version. But if you don't feel like this is something that you really want to invest into your business, please don't bother about the paid version. What you can do is you can use the free version, which is what I'm showing you exactly here on the page. And let's try and design a banner for you to put on your LinkedIn page, and after even on your other social media platforms. Because what I said is, you want yourself to be seen as an authority there. So the first step is to upload your image. And where do you go there? You can see here on this button, there is a button that is saying upload. So what you want to do is you want to click the upload button. For me, I've already uploaded different images here. So for you, this part will be empty. What you'll just do is you'll come here and click upload, and you will look for an image that you want to upload. let's say for example, let me take just any image, like let me take this image. Right click, upload. Right, so what will happen is it will upload itself there as an image. Right, so what after it has uploaded, what you want to do is you want to click on the image. Right, and now I'll show you the difference between the paid version of Canva and also the free version on Canva, and then it will be on your side to think if you want to take the paid one or the free version. So this is how you can expand, but also using the free Canva, it's totally okay. You can just use the free Canva, but the paid one gives you more features. So when you get here, you expand your image so that it may fit in on the size of the banner. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to put an amazing background here. And how do you put the background? You come to the photos, you click here, photos. And for me, I like using laptop photos, so you just come here and search for a laptop. Just click laptop. Then after clicking laptop, Canva will bring you different options of people with the laptops, of different laptops, blah blah blah. Right, so if you can see here, we have different images of laptops, so you're the one to choose which one fits best for you. So for me, I'll go with the Pro one. Which one is this? And then I'll make it fit into I'll make it fit here to the whole place. Right, so you may wonder, where has my image gone? And I'll be showing you, as soon as you click there, your image is able to get there, because this one goes directly and becomes a background. And by doing that, you can also change the position of your image. If you want it to be in the back, you can click here, and then there's forward and back. And this is how you're really able to create a very good banner. And after doing that, you can just come here to the text. Right, text, add a text, and you can see here your text comes here as blacks. Right, so let's say for example here you can put helping network marketers get more leads. Marketers, try and put here, get more leads. Network marketers get more leads and sales. So let's keep it that simple because of the time. Guys, remember, it's only 10 minutes a day of your time, and I'll be giving you this great value. Right, helping network marketers get more sales. So when you look at this image here, it is not very clear. It is not very clear. So I'll just show you a simple technique that I use. Such an amazing technique. You come on element, then you create. Come here. These are some of the elements that I use. But here you come here on shapes, and I like using this shape a lot, the square one. And you can see this is how it appears. And then what you want to do is you just put it wider this way, right, that way, and then you do position here, right, position. When you put position, you put it backward, right? As soon as you put backward, your text has already come in front. So the text here is on black color. What you want to do is you want to change it to white. So click here on the color and bang. That's how you really create a killer LinkedIn banner that will really help you attract more leads, more sales, right? So this is how it really looks professional. Get more leads and sell. What you want to do is you can add a couple of things that you want to add there for your profile to really look good and amazing, right? So this one is the free version. So if you want to put this one to really look very nice, you can say background remover here, background remover, and it will just remove its background. Bang, and you can just see how amazing this one looks. So hope you've gotten value from this video, guys, and I'll be waiting you to the second module. Make sure to check the description below. I've just dropped some few guides that can really help you grow your network marketing business. And also make sure to attend our free webinar, which is always there at each and every Tuesday and Thursday, so that you may get results for your network marketing business. Hope I'll be seeing you in the next video. I'll be seeing you in the next event, and I really appreciate you tuning here. And bye bye. Have a good time.